In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the WebComics Mod menu completely free. This method works on both iOS and Android devices and unlocks premium features such as unlimited gems and exclusive hacks. As you can see on the screen, the mod menu provides multiple options, including unlimited gems and much more. Before you begin, make sure your webcomics app is updated to the latest version. To check, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store and confirm there are no pending updates. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to continue. The next step is to head down to the pinned comment below, where I explain exactly how to get WebComics++ safely. Follow the instructions there, and once you've installed it, you'll have full access to all the features. If this method worked for you, don't forget to leave a like and share your experience in the comments. Subscribing helps you stay updated with the latest mods, hacks, and tutorials for your favorite apps. That's all for today's video. Enjoy your free webcomics mod menu, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.